Ty Brooks here, the garden and volunteer manager here at Wimberley's Roots. I wanted to show y'all another little trick that we use when planting our garden. This is just a little spacer that we make. And I know sometimes when people plant their plants out, sometimes they'll have little rulers and things, and it's kind of time consuming. And something that I found that works real good, I've seen this at a couple farms that I've worked out in the past, is they'll just get some PVC. You can buy the really cheap stuff with a couple of elbows and some T's, and you just cut off short pieces at sort of an angle so you can get them stuck in the dirt pretty good. I don't know if you can see that there. And then we stick those in with a T, and then whatever spacing you want your plants to be at, stick these in between, and you make a height that's sort of comfortable for you to work with. I just take my spacer and I go ahead and stick it in the ground, and then I just move down the line and I get my nice plant spacing to whatever I want it to be. And when I come back, a lot of times I'll try and offset my rows. So I'll do the next holes sort of offset from that at whatever spacing I need between them. That's just a little trick for you to make a little plant spacer to make your planting maybe go a little bit smoother and easier for you. Thanks, we'll see you.